So we'll be looking at this word problem. It says that John is 4 years older than his brother. The total of their ages is 28. How old is the brother? So first of all, we'll start with let the brother age be x. Let the brother, I don't know what it is, let the brother age so let the brother age be x. So it says that John is 4 years older. So John is 4 years older. So John is 4 years so John is 4 years older. That means John's age, John's age should be x plus 4. X plus 4. So their total age is 28. Their total age is 28. Total age is 28. So the equation will be like this: the x at the brother age x plus this x here plus 4. That's John's age plus 4 equals to 28. So x plus s, you have 2x plus 4 equals to 28. So we're going to move this 4 to the other side, it becomes negative. So you have 2x equals to 28 minus 4. So 2x, 28 minus 4, that is 24. So we'll divide both sides by 2. 2 divides 2, 2 divides 24. So you cancel out this x equals to, just cancel out this, that is 12. So that means that John's brother is 12 years old. So John's brother is 12 years old. So 12 plus 4, which was John's age, other than the brother by 4 years, equals to 16. So John's brother is 12 years. John is 16. The total is 28. That's what the question says here. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. See you in another video. Thank you and God bless you.